Okay, so this is October, November 2024, 103 paper, spreadsheet and website authoring. So we are going to start from task 3, which is file management. First of all, we need to locate the files in the folder which I gave you. Here are the files. So we create a new folder, name it as N24. Acha, need to create a new folder and then drag and drop all of these files there. Now you will need to create a web page to help trainees learn HTML. So for this, first of all, you need to open this CSS file, cascading style sheet into a programmer. So you will be using Microsoft Expression Web 4. You are going to open the same file right here. Okay. Here you have the file. Now, and the page editor options, you can edit it. Wait. Okay, let's start at this again. We need to open this file. N24 Web CSS and Microsoft Web Expression. So I go into this part. I select File, Open. Then I select this file, CSS file, which is N24 Web. In the format, it can be shown that this is a CSS file, this one. And after having this, I'm going to go on to the tools. I'm going to go on to the page editor options. And in page editor options, I need to set the default font as okay. I'm just doing it so that it is easy for me to read. So you can even press Control plus on the keyboard to zoom in as well. Or if you want to increase the font size, you have both of the options. So after opening this in the text editor, the question says that you need to add a new class. The name of the class is going to be red, that sets the font color to the hexadecimal code for red when the class is being applied. So you are going to go into the format, new style, and in the new style, you are going to create uh, red, RED, and the color is going to be red, and this hexadecimal code. Okay, so after this it says add a new class called center, that center aligns text when the class is applied. So you will go back, you will again go on to tools, format, new style, and now this is going to be your alignment part. So you can name this sector as center, and you can select the block of this text align center and click OK. So as you are doing it, you can see that in the list of codes, it is being added. Save your style sheet, take a screenshot and place this in your evidence. You need to save this, take a screenshot and save it. Save, and with the snipping tool, you can take the screenshot as well. After this, you need to open and examine the web page called n24web.htm. So you will go into the file, you will go into the open, and you will select n24web. And from here, you can select the web page and attach the style sheet. So the web page should be looking like this. You have A, B, C, and D. So you can edit this HTML so that the border do not appear on the final web page. So you are going to click on the code part. Now you are going to give this a table border, table border value 0. So when you will be going to the design, you will see that a border is given. Then you need to replace the text, a candidate, with your center number and candidate number. So you can edit this right here with your name, center number, candidate number. Again, you need to save the file with the web page by your center number, candidate number. Save the file with your center number, candidate number. After this, you need to set all the text into style H1. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to into the code part, and or I can do it from here as well. As soon as I click here, there's the list of the headings you can select. So you can change it to H1. Now it says that set the text web development layer in cell B in style H2. So you are going to select it and you are going to convert this into H2. After this, set all other paragraphs of text in cell B in style H3. So you can select all of this in H3. H3. This is the coding part. I mean, you can do it from the design view as well. It's up to you. Okay. After this, apply the class red to only the text in content layer, presentation layer, and behavior layer. So we need to apply the red here. The class red, apply styles. And in the apply style, there is the style that we created that is red. So you can set this one as the red part. Set the text in cell C and D into style S2 with the class set to red. So we will be selecting both of this with the color red. This is going to be gold, adding to, and style will be red. Set both the paragraphs of the text in cell E into style H3. So you need to set it to center and set it to H3. H3 is heading 3. Set a class set to center. So you can set this class as the center by clicking at this one. This is also going to be set as center. Apply styles center. Select apply style center. Now select the first line of text in cell F into paragraph style. You can select this to paragraph and set it to unordered list. Ordered list. This is going to be in the paragraph. This is ordered list, unordered list. Now set the title of the web page to programming tips. ये आ गया बुलेट पॉइंट्स में ऑर्डर लिस्ट में फिर पेज प्रॉपर्टीज में जाएंगे टाइटल में यू कैन चेक इट राइट क्लिक पेज प्रॉपर्टीज और टाइटल में आ गया प्रोग्रामिंग टिप्स इन द HTML सेट द नेम ऑफ द डिफॉल्ट टारगेट विंडो टू सेल्फ डिफॉल्ट टारगेट विंडो आपके पास ये टारगेट फ्रेम आपके पास सेल्फ पे आएगा set the text in cells C as a link to open the web page and 24 so cell C hyperlink this will open this same one After this, set the text in cell D as a link to open the web page and 24 CSS in a new window called blank. Cell D is CSS. You are going to, if you have a confusion like who is cell C and D, you can go into the coding part and you can see from there. New window. Now place metadata in the appropriate section of your HTML. Define the character set as UTF-8 and add a description of the web page. Again, page properties, language, HTML encoding, save the document as UTF-8. Character set UTF-8. It is added. Then add a description of the web page. Page properties, page description. You can add the description here. Description, you will create a web page to help trainees learn HTML. You can copy this, paste this. Then take a copy of your HTML source and place it in evidence document. Okay, so all of this is going to be copied and pasted in your evidence document. Display your web page if necessary. Resize it to entire page can be seen. Fully readable address bar is fully visible. Take a screenshot to check that if your is fully okay, it is fully working. So you will go right here, double click, open with Firefox or Chrome or Microsoft Edge, anything to check if this is proper. It is, like, you need to check it. See, like no heading is being cutted off, everything is proper. You're going to check this and you can set the zoom percentage as well to check that if anything is being cutted or not. And you are going to take the screenshot with the address bar and you are going to paste this in your Word again. Step 21 website authoring. So here you have pasted, and then you have the last part is that printing the evidence document. So you just need to print the evidence document. And this is it for this part. Task 3 and task 4 is done.